The Titan MPS is PerkinElmer's newest instrument for microwave digestion. With advanced technology and robust safety features, the Titan MPS is a safe, high-throughput, and easy-to-operate microwave digestion system. For laboratories today, sample preparation is a critical step in analytical analysis and represents a significant labor and time cost, with the quality of the sample preparation crucial to the outcome of the analysis. When faced with challenging samples combined with long digestion times, a faster, more efficient way of preparing samples can provide significant financial and productivity gains. Closed vessel microwave digestion is a frequently used technique for accelerating and simplifying the process of sample preparation, and can provide a means of digesting difficult samples such as ceramics, plastics, and geologic samples that are typically considered indigestible. In addition, closed vessel microwave digestion can improve the recovery of analytes, ensuring retention and accurate measurement of volatile elements while reducing or eliminating sample retesting due to failed QC. To achieve this, microwave digestion employs the combination of high pressure and high temperature in a sealed pressure vessel to deliver total sample digestion and an instrument-ready sample solution, where typical open vessel digestions cannot. To deliver on the advantages of closed vessel digestion, PerkinElmer has introduced the Titan MPS microwave sample preparation system. Engineered for ease of use and safety with patented sensing technologies and backed by the service and expertise of PerkinElmer, the Titan MPS provides a cost-effective solution to sample preparation. The Titan MPS is a top-loading, closed-vessel microwave digestion system that offers direct sample monitoring without the use of sensing probes or wired connections, greatly simplifying setup and reducing maintenance and replacement costs. The bottom-mounted infrared sensor, combined with the optical pressure sensor in the lid, provides sample monitoring without requiring any setup by the user, while the front-mounted touchscreen interface provides easy access to method setup, daily digestions, and data export. With a simplified design, each vessel is easy to assemble and maintain, and comes with a 1-year warranty. Avoiding the complexity of multi-layered vessels or specialized tools, the sample and reagent is placed directly into the vessel body. The seal and rupture disc are placed into position on the body of the vessel, and the vessel cap is screwed into place loosely by hand. With the vessel and sample complete, each vessel is placed into the oven individually, eliminating the difficulties associated with moving an entire assembly of filled vessels into the microwave. During digestion, the Titan MPS monitors the conditions in each vessel and varies microwave energy so that digestions proceed safely with repeatable results every time. With a full range of available applications, the Titan MPS is ready to increase the productivity of your lab today.